Hi guys, good afternoon. It's already past 5 here in Spain. Look at the view guys, oh. That is so cute. Very relaxing. Look. The sun is still there. And you can see everywhere there are a lot of roses over there. As you can see guys. And the grass are so cute. Oh, the roses are there. As I've told you, they are there. I'm going to see my husband here. I'm going to meet him. Okay guys, bye.